hungry? Say yeah.
Yeah! Oh no, she got me! That's too much, that's too much! Stop kissing me! Why are you doing this? Why? Ah! Nom. Nom 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 nom. I'm a princess.
When a kitty drinks too much milk.
What's up, dude?
Of going to the dog park?
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason, and she wasn't trying to.
I've lost my voice, and my dog won't eat his dinner because I can't say his release word.
Okay.
Ma'am looks good.
Okay. Yes.
Drools on floor.
Okay.
I really want this.
Okay.
What the F are you on about, Mom?
Ooh, that's good. Hey, hold on. What's that? That Dr. Pepper? That's that Dr. Pepper.
Hey, mate. You alright? I'll take that as a no.
Dude, you're 14 years old. Grow up. Stop playing with a charging box. What are you doing?
You know why dogs are better than cats? Because a cat will try to bite your hand off if you accidentally touch it in the exact wrong spot. But you could smack a dog in the nose and they're like, do you want to play frisbee?
Alright, who in the actual booty hell took a bite out of my sandwich? Was it you? I know it was you, you little son of mana. You son of mana. Was you a good girl, huh?
What's under that hood? Oh yeah, that's a good job.
Another neighbor tell me that there was a dead horse in my yard, so I'm doing a life check. Hey, Squidward. Squidward. Squidward, are you dead? Are you dead, Mama? No? Okay, well that's...
Yes. Yes. Yay, good boy.
I gave my dog my plate with spicy spaghetti, and he regrets his life decisions.
Why is it spicy?
Why is she yelling?
He's so upset.
Okay.
My cat's face when we bring home another cat.